Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cinema film roll table furniture recipe in Hearttopia. So during this spring season, Hearttopia has a special event called Dreamlight Cinematic, and in this event there's a battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards like this. And if you want to get this cinema film roll table, you need to reach battle pass level 17 like this, and to get or to level it up you need to collect festival points that you can get these points from the town festival catalog reward, town festival limited collections reward, and even you can also get these festival points from the resident request or daily quest. And so make sure to just keep doing these event tags and claim all the rewards to get these festival points. And once you finally reach level 17, this recipe, this cinema film roll table recipe will unlock and it will automatically add it to your workbench. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.